We are at MiCareerQuest Northwest in Traverse City, Michigan, being held at the Grand Traverse County Civic Center. MiCareerQuest is a hands-on event for regional 9th graders to actually experience what it's like to work in the day in the life of someone who works in manufacturing, in healthcare, in agriculture, and a variety of jobs that are right here in Northwest Michigan, so that when they're done with school or done with their training, they're able to stay right here in our community and earn a very good living wage. We have over 40 employers represented today, exhibiting over 60 different jobs and career opportunities, as well as we're hosting 2,000 ninth graders. It's a great opportunity for employers to engage with our young people, to get them excited, get them energized about career possibilities in their industry, as well as starting to develop the next talent pipeline to keep talent in the Northwest Michigan area.
The MyStem Network is actually a state grant that is to bring business and education together, so that we, when the kids ask, why do we need to learn this, we can show them some of the reasons why, they will use some of these skills. It's also great for employers to get to talk to the students. And 9th grade is just a really good time for them as they start high school to kind of think about what exactly do they want to do in high school and not. And the great part about this event is it's hands-on. They get to touch stuff and see stuff and do stuff, and actually I think a couple they get to smell or taste. So it's a lot about the 5 senses, which is great because that's what really makes impressions on them.
The MiCareerQuest event is great because it promotes the trades in our case, and a lot of other opportunities after high school for these kids. And it's a good opportunity to get them thinking about the future for sure. There are a lot on the way out due to retirement out of the trades, so replenishing that group, the new group of apprentices with us, is super important. Right in this area alone, we are at a shortage of tradespeople, both in HVAC and plumbing. And I think that that's probably going to get worse. So I think there will be opportunity year after year, and that opportunity probably will grow every year.
Well, we definitely want to get the youth involved in learning about there's more than just climbing poles and digging holes when you're getting into energy. We have drone operators, we have construction, we've got electric line work, we've got customer service. So it's not just climbing poles and digging holes. I have a teaching degree and I work for an energy company, so it's a great company to work for. It's a great field to be in. And DTE and Consumers Energy and all the other MUDIC members, the Michigan Energy Workforce Development Consortium, feel it's important to let the youth know that. Well, there's definitely a need for careers in energy in the field. We have about 40% of our workforce retiring in the next 7 to 10 years, so we definitely need the next generation to fill those gaps. And we want them to come work for us. It's a great place to work. It's a career in energy. You can be outside, inside. Day is never the same, and you get to work with phenomenal people.
AIS wants to be involved in CareerQuest, not only here in Traverse City, but other CareerQuests as well, so that we are always on a search for talent, young talent. This gives us the opportunity to get in front of that talent. The field of diesel technology and the need for diesel technicians is wide open. The demand is more than what supply can handle, and we look for that to go into the future as well. So it's a great opportunity for young people to get into. I think at 9th grade they're making some decisions that will impact their lives after they graduate from high school, and an event like CareerQuest gives them an opportunity to look at many different career choices all in one location, as opposed to going out and visiting a number of employers. So I think this is a fantastic event that's held throughout Michigan to give those 9th graders, give those young people an opportunity to see the careers that are out there. Someone once told me you can't be what you can't see, so this gives those students an opportunity to see what they can be.